Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing a massive chest opening. So I just exchanged like a lot of my currency so we can actually be able to get these chests. So yeah, man, we're gonna see if this is any good. Like, people are hyping it up and it does look very good from the rewards inside. So I'm hoping for a lot of keys. I do not need boosters, guys. The boosters are like the worst thing you can get out of this. Enjoy the opening and peace, guys.